Hello, everyone. My name is Tia Cooper, and I am from the travel agency Take the World Travel, where I specialize in helping travel professionals start and run a successful travel agent business. And I am here today because it's a special time of the year, a time of the year where travel advisors and professionals can really boost their name in the community with potential clients and really stand out to the clients that they already have. And because next week will be Black Friday, this is the time. The time is now to stand out in a busy market and attract the right clients and grow your travel business. So, Black Friday is an amazing opportunity, but it's only amazing if you are strategic. So, in this video, I'll share some simple but powerful steps to help you craft a campaign that will work. Plus, I'll have a free resource that can make your life easier because it's easy to listen to a lot of this is what you should do and not necessarily have something tangible to do it. So, the first thing that I say is start planning early. Now, we are a week and some change away from Black Friday, so you're still ahead of the game. Even if, you haven't extensively planned, right now is the time. So, the importance of being proactive rather than reactive is key. Now, the first thing is first, timing is everything. So, if you wait until the week of Black Friday to start planning, you're kind of behind the game and you'll feel the stress of trying to keep up with others who are marketing, whether it be stores or just other businesses in general or other travel professionals who are marketing. So don't get yourself in that rut. We're a week ahead of the game, so you have time. The businesses that succeed during Black Friday are the ones that start early and have a plan. So, this is what you can do this week. Set a clear goal. So, are you looking to increase your travel bookings? Do you want to grow your email list? Or do you want to promote a specific destination? Choose one clear focus and build a campaign around that. Nothing is worse than having a bunch of different ideas and trying to build a campaign around those if you haven't already built the systems in place. No need to stress yourself with a bunch of extra work if you haven't already done it. Stick to one thing and let's be successful in that. There are so many times throughout the year that we can continue to market on other things. Let's pick one now and focus on it and dominate. The next thing that we need to do is research trends. So we want to look at what's popular right now in travel, whether it be destinations, experiences, what time of year are people traveling the most. Now that may, differ between demographics. So what is your age range of people that you want to market to? What are their professions that they do? If your main source of clients are teachers, summertime and times that they have vacations are going to be those times that they want to see you market deals. If you have parents, same thing. Parents with children, same thing. If you have corporate people that you are corporate clients that you appeal to, then their times are a little bit different and they're looking for the deals. Figure out the trends of whoever your target audience is, and you can use tools like Google Trends or Instagram to see what's really hot. And I'll also include another resource. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, I will give you a prompt to help you to hone in on what your target audience is and what the trend for them is for the upcoming year. The next thing that you're going to want to do is organize your campaign. So you can use tools like Google Sheets, or if you're a little bit more high tech, Trello or Asana to map out what content you'll post. And to be honest, you don't even have to use electronic things. I write down my campaigns sometimes as long as it's clear. I know when I want to post and what platforms I want to focus on. It saves me so much stress later on. So just mapping out, okay, I'm getting prepared to launch a Black Friday deal. I know that I want to start soft launching on this Wednesday. What do I want that to look like? What platforms do I want to post on? And knowing the differences in the platform is key as well. What you post on TikTok, that caption might not translate to Facebook or Instagram. Knowing those things are definitely helpful. Now, the next thing that we should focus on is choosing the right offer. So, how do you want to create your offers is really important and really key. And no, it doesn't have to be a massive discount. Like you don't have to discount your research fee or the package that you give. Black Friday is perceived value. It's all about perceived value. So think about how you can add something extra to make the offer irresistible. So here are a few ideas. Give exclusive perks. So partner with suppliers that offer upgrades, bonus experiences, or complimentary services. So whatever you can do to package that in with the deal that you're already given, but give it value. So if you already were offering a 7 night stay in Cancun with flight included for two, then now you can boost that offer up by saying, we're also giving free airport transfers if you book on Black Friday, or if you book from Black Friday until whatever date that you want to book. Offer something more to the package that you're already doing so that you don't have to take away from what you have coming in. If you are in a position to where you can discount your research fees and things, then do that as well. Clients love to feel as if they're getting something exclusive. So run a 2 week special, a 1 week special, even a month special if you can, that takes a discount off of whatever you're offering. If you're in the position to do so, don't do it otherwise, but if you're in the position to do so, then you can. Also offering limited time packages. So highlight unique travel packages with a countdown to create urgency. Instagram is great for countdowns and people can save them. But also, if you're building up your email list, you can send a countdown. 3 days left for this offer, 2 days left for this offer, 1 day left. And it lets people know, oh, snap, I need to go ahead and get in on this before the offer is over. And if you get to the time where the countdown does get over, then you can just lessen what you're offering the value. So, hey, I'm still trying to look out for you. I still have some value for you, just not as great as it was the last time. That lets them know that you're serious about, the countdown that you put on, but also you're still trying to offer them value. Next thing is promote trips that people can purchase as holiday gifts. So this is huge for Black Friday. So, Valentine's Day is coming up, Christmas is coming up. Offer packages that can be bought as a Christmas gift. So promote it as buy this Christmas gift for your loved ones, those people who love to travel. Go ahead and purchase it now. Pay on it so that whenever it's time for the trip to happen, you basically gift them twice. I love that angle of telling clients that they gift them twice because technically you are. If Christmas comes around and my husband gives me a card or a box that says, hey, we're going to France. When I get the box, I'm like, oh my goodness, we're going to France. This is amazing. But then I'm super excited when it's time to go to France. So it's like I got two gifts at two different times. So use that excitement for holidays to definitely pump up your Black Friday what you're marketing, giftable experiences. Like I said, for Valentine's Day, you can market that you have packages that people can gift for Valentine's Day. They can buy it now, pay on it, give it for Valentine's Day, birthdays, whatever, so on and so forth. Remember, you should offer offers that align with your niche. Don't try to cater to everybody because you're going to be all over the place. Focus on what you are already known for or what you want to be known for. The next thing is that I want you to simplify your marketing message. So during Black Friday, everyone's attention is being pulled in a million different directions, especially because of social media. So if your marketing message is complicated or unclear, it'll get lost. This is how you can simplify it. Focus on benefits, not features. Instead of saying this package includes 3 nights in Paris, say experience the magic of Paris during the holidays with stress-free curated getaway. Simple. Use clear headlines. So think save time, save money, travel better. Or exclusive Black Friday offers on your dream vacation. That is a clear cut way so that clients aren't confused or potential clients aren't confused about what you're offering. The next thing is that you need to add urgency. Words like limited time or only available until or act fast, that really encourages people to get into gear and act now. That's what you want them to do. You don't want them waiting around thinking that they have time later. No, you need to do it now. You need to get this booking now. So do those things and it will get more clients urgent and kicked into gear about booking with you. The next thing is to make it visual and engaging. So, in the world of travel, visuals are everything. People want to see where they could go and imagine themselves there. Travel is all about the imagination. What am I getting myself into? What could I possibly be getting myself into? And that's why your Black Friday marketing needs to look amazing. I recommend using Canva to create beautiful posts or stories and even email headers. Choose bold and attention grabbing designs, but not too crazy. You don't have to put a whole bunch for it to be bold and attention grabbing. Make sure that your visuals match your brand. If you need help, don't worry. I'm going to give you a free template that you can download at the end of this video that can help you. The next thing that you're going to want to do is build anticipation. Don't wait until Black Friday to start talking about your offers. Now is the time. Build anticipation by just kind of teasing your deals in advance. Here's how. Again, post countdowns on social media. Share behind the scenes content like a sneak peek of the destinations that you're featuring. Behind the scenes doesn't have to be you actually working. It can be you putting together that travel deal or a beautiful destination, like kind of maybe if you're offering France or something, doing a video snippet of France and saying, can you guess this destination? We have a Black Friday sale coming for it. So that gives them some engagement and also kind of teases the deal that's coming up. Also, if you have an email list, use it to drop hints about what's coming. That gets them excited and ready and attentive to whenever you drop that deal. And by the time Black Friday arrives, the audience is excited and they're ready to book with you. Now, you're ready to create a Black Friday campaign that sets you apart. To make it even easier, as I said, I've created a free resource for you that you can access via Canva, and it's specifically for travel professionals. These templates will help you to create professional looking posts and emails in no time. So click the link and download them and let me know how you plan to use them. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure that you like. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will be doing more videos to help travel professionals to succeed in this business. If you are thinking about becoming a travel professional, definitely click the link below that takes you to my travel agent workshop. Use my sponsor code Take the World. I would be happy to have you on my team and coach you all along the way with some of the more intricate things that you will need to be successful in this travel industry. So let's make sure this is the best Black Friday yet. Thank you all for sticking around. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.